Hot dog is tasty. I think it's a Polish. Jalapeno cheese. Let me taste the bread. That's pretty good. I like it. I ended up coming back home because I got the hiccups. It was too windy. There were no seats inside. It was a smaller space. So the seats were already taken. And like I said, it was super windy outside. I didn't feel like sitting out there and having people watch me. But I'm back home. This one is, I believe, if you check it out here, this was the breakfast one. Yeah, the bacon, egg, and cheese. So let's try it. Look at the outside. It's just like, I don't know if it's like a butter glaze or what it is, but let's give it a try. Not bad. Pepper, egg, bacon, cheese. The bread is fresh. There's no like, there isn't like a flavor to the bread. It's just really fresh bread packed with stuffing. So if you're from the city and you eat pork buns, it's similar to that, but with different fillings. And this is the pepperoni pizza one. They sold out of the Philly cheesesteak, and the next round of Kolaches were coming in every 30 minutes. And I had meetings to come back to, so I didn't have time to do it. But here's the pepperoni one. Again, same outside glaze. I think this is butter, but let's give it a try. Hot Pocket. It's essentially what it is. Not bad. Not bad.